In the previous video, we had identified how we can bring in components from the React Bootstrap library. However, there may be other components which we want to use, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the hello world, and/or what we can do is, let's get rid of the hello world, and in there let's create a section, and in this section we'll give it a class name of opening section, and in here we'll have a h1 tag, and in here we'll say welcome to our amazing website. Let's have another section. Let's give this section a typical name, which would be the services section of the website, and in here let's have a h2 tag, and our h2 tag will say services. Let's have a p tag which will say these are the services we provide. Let's then have an unordered list, and let's have service A, service B, and service C. You get the idea. So let's go ahead and Control S and/or save that, and let's see what that compilation looks like. So as you can see, it has reloaded our browser with the changes we've made. Let's now add a little bit of color. So we already have in here imported the app.css file, and from here we can get rid of all of the default stuff that came with the website, with the project that was scaffolded for us, and in here we're going to create some styling for the opening section, and we'll say padding top, let's add 5em, padding bottom, let's also add 5em, and then just to make things a bit easier to see, let's put that there. Let's get rid of the Explorer, and let's also in the services section do the same. Control S, and that will naturally allow for when we are either on desktop or mobile, it will nicely keep this spacing between the two sections. The other thing we can do is we can add a little bit of color to, say, services section, and we'll go for let's go for dark goldenrod. Control S, and obviously we wouldn't probably have these kind of colors within our website, but just to give you an idea of kind of how this works. And then in our welcome and our opening section, let's go ahead and add a button component. So let's go back to the React Bootstrap website. Oops, sorry. And let's click on components. Let's maximize this, and let's go for a button, and let's grab this dark variant button, and let's pop that here. And for now it won't go anywhere, however we'll just get it to read find out more. And as you can see, it hasn't had any errors, If you do get any errors, then ensure that you have imported that from the React Bootstrap library, and that then should get rid of that error. What we can also then do is, just to make it look a little bit nicer, we will go back into the app.css file and let's align everything in the services section in the middle, and that looks a bit better.